Your Nikon Z50II has features hidden so deep in the menus, or just not mentioned anywhere in the manual, that most owners have no idea they exist. 6 of them. Some are genuinely useful in the field. And the last one? Nikon is practically giving away money, and almost nobody is taking it. Let's get into it. You already know the red light on the front of the Z52 blinks when you're recording video. That's the tally light. When your battery is critically low during a video recording session, the tally light changes its blink pattern. It blinks faster or differently, giving you a visual warning you can actually see from the front of the camera. Small feature, big deal in the field. When you're shooting 1080p video on the Z52, the camera is only using a portion of what the APS-C sensor is actually capable of. There's extra resolution sitting there, doing nothing. Nikon lets you use it. Enable the 2x digital zoom during 1080p HUD recording, and you effectively double your focal length with no real loss in quality, because the camera is just cropping into native sensor data, not stretching pixels. By default, the Z52 restricts how slow your shutter can go in video mode. It's a safety net. Nikon doesn't want you accidentally shooting unusable footage, but if you know what you're doing, that restriction is frustrating. Go into your video shooting menu and enable extended shutter speed options. Once you do, you unlock slower shutter speeds in video, opening the door for intentional motion blur, cinematic long exposure style video, or creative low light work. This one saved me more than once, shooting in dim conditions. Night View Assist is a display mode that artificially boosts the brightness of your live view screen in dark environments, so you can actually see what you're framing. It only affects what you see on the screen. The actual footage or photo your camera captures is not affected. It's purely a monitor assist. Think of it as a night vision mode for your screen. Perfect for astrophotography, nocturnal wildlife, or any situation where you're trying to compose in the dark without a torch pointed at your subject. Manual focus on a moving subject is hard. That's just a fact. But on the Z52, you can have the camera's subject detection and focus tracking system running in the background, even while you're in manual focus mode. The tracking box appears on screen, follows your subject, and tells you exactly where to focus. Your hand controls the focus ring. The camera's AF brain tells you where that ring should be pointing. Nikon has a cloud storage service called Nikon Image Space, and they offer free, unlimited storage for your photos. The catch? Images are stored at 2 megapixels. Now, before you scroll away, think about what 2 megapixels actually means. A 2 megapixel image is 1920 by 1080 pixels. That is exactly full HD. That's every Instagram post, every Facebook upload, every client preview gallery covered. Unlimited, free, from Nikon, forever. You can connect your Z52 through SnapBridge or the Nikon app and have your photos automatically back up to the cloud. The cloud copy gives you a safe, shareable, always accessible backup of everything. Most photographers are paying for Google Photos, iCloud, or Dropbox storage right now. Nikon is handing this out for free, and almost nobody knows about it. 6 features that don't show up in most Z52 reviews. If one of these saved you a headache or some storage money, drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps. And if you want more hidden features, settings, deep dives, and wildlife photography content from Sri Lanka, subscribe. There's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.